Moving on to the next concept, which is Moore's law and its end. Moore was a scientist who observed that when the first transistor was made, after 2 years he saw that the number of transistors increased, like from 1 it became 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, and he formulated a law known as Moore's law, which states that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles every 2 years, because the more the number of transistors, the better the performance of that microchip. So every 2 years the number of transistors is increasing. That is what Moore's law states. So the law claims that we can expect the speed and capability of our computers to increase every 2 years. Since the transistors are increasing, the speed and capabilities of our computer will also increase, of course. So nowadays, number of more advanced technologies being developed, from smart technologies to mobile tech to wearable technology to faster processor, and also the engineers were able to develop more nanotechnology systems whereby transistors went from being millimeters to nanometers. The size of transistors has decreased nowadays by advanced technologies, but now the engineers are unable to develop the chips with smaller transistors. This is the limitation for Moore's law. That is, the size of the transistor has decreased from millimeter to nanometer, and the number of transistors also increased every 2 years. But now the engineers are unable to develop the chips with smaller transistors. They are unable to develop chips with smaller transistors. Thus, computer system may have reached the limit in transistor capacity and power. So, by just increasing the number of transistors, we cannot increase the speed and capability now, because we cannot just keep on adding more and more transistors to our computers. So the computer systems may have reached the limit. So the industry leaders are stating that Moore's law has come to an end. So the industry leaders are saying that Moore's law has come to an end. So this is the limitation or the end of Moore's law.